of my boyfriend to do my back. Cause I can't reach it, Rick. I don't have legs behind me. Arms. And I don't have legs. Stop. Oh my gosh. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just got off work a few hours ago, and I want to start this video how I am. So for today's video, we're going to try self-tanner for the first time. I know summer is right around the corner. It's storming outside my window right now. It's literally 2:13 in the afternoon, and it's just dark outside, which is why I had the lights on, because no natural light coming in, which is fine. I don't really care. So with summer coming, I, want to look good, want to feel good, all that good stuff. And part of that for me personally is being tan. Living in California when I used to, obviously we went to beach, Disneyland, we're just outside all the time and in the ocean, swimming, surfing, whatever. And so I got tan really easy, and I never really had to worry about like getting tan, I guess. And then I moved to the Midwest, and I wasn't outside all the time, or if I was, like, it wasn't like surfing, I wasn't in a bikini, so I would get I still get like weird like farmer's tans for like my arms are super tan, but then like my legs and like the rest of my body is just like white, and you're like, great look. So when I moved to the Midwest, I started going to tanning salons just to get my tan on, and I did it for, oh my gosh, I only did it like last year, I think, so not long, and I only did it for like the summer. I didn't continue on to the winter, which I don't know why I let myself get white again, like not like white, but like, not tan. I know there's so many different options for like getting tan. You can spray tan, there's sunbeds, self tanners obviously, or you could just go out in the freaking sun yourself. There's a plethora of variety out there. I really like tanning salons personally, but for like a quick fix, I think self tanners are the way to go, and there are so many out there. So the self tanner I'm using today is this one from Arbonne. It's just this Arbonne Liquid Sunshine. I've seen quite a few people use this and have really good results. If you don't know what Arbonne is, it's a vegan health and wellness company that I actually work for as an independent consultant. I really, really love it. All of their products are vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, paraben-free, etc. Like, they just have such a cool ingredient policy, and so I'm obviously not like the healthiest person out there, and I'm not vegan. Like, I like my meat, okay? But I can appreciate their products and their ingredients and all that kind of stuff, because I know that, the products they're making have really pure ingredients because they are vegan certified and non-GMO and all that stuff. So I really like their products. I use a ton of their products. I know I mentioned it in my stories if you follow me on Instagram and stuff. So I love this company, and I love working for them because I make money. So for using this, I used like a spray self tanner that you just like stayed on and you didn't like wipe off or anything. So, and I think this is kind of the same thing. I know if I go to like a tanning salon, I use that lotion. I'll go tan, and then I'll come home and I'll like shower because I feel like sticky and yucky and gross. So, but the directions for this guy, it says shake well, apply product evenly to cleanse, moisturize skin, avoid using the area of eyes, lips, mucous membrane, and hairline. Avoid contact with clothing. Wash hands after use. So it just says it's like this tinted self tanner lotion. So I'm gonna guess I just like put it on and hope for the best. So let's go. All right, you guys, so I just showered and I have changed into a bathing suit because while I think you're supposed to do this naked, I'm not going to. So as you can kind of see, like my arms are really tan except for where my eye watch is. And then like the upper arm is like white, and like my whole body is white except for my arms. But my leg is definitely white. So we're gonna try to, very pale, I'm gonna try to reverse that with this guy. And it says to shake it first. So that's what we're gonna do. And it says just apply it like a lotion. I thought it was supposed to come with like some kind of like mitt or something, but obviously it did not. And I'm wondering, like, I haven't looked at it like at all. Put this hair up so it doesn't get self-tanner on it. So here we go. So like nervous. Oh, teeth. What if it like shoots out? There it is. Okay. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Okay. So it's very lotiony consistency. It's pretty dark. I'm nervous. Okay. And you just put it on like lotion. That's so, I don't know like how much, but we're just gonna start like rubbing it in. I don't know like if it's gonna make a difference on like my arms since they're already so tan. I think I'm just really interested in like my body. Oh, I'm gonna feel like sticky. I'm like sticky. Sure, I got it on my shoulders. It's just, that's not it. Looking in the mirror. I don't know if I should put it like on my face. I had to squirt it. I don't know how much I'm supposed to. I thought it'd be darker. Okay. To like get it in there without showing my lady bits. I don't know how long it's supposed to like take to like, I want to say the word is fruition, but I don't think it, I don't know why. Oh look, oh okay, I don't want it in my belly button. We're not gonna do this area because it's covered up. And I mean, I don't get like irritated when I put products on there, but I don't want to like put it on there and put my liner or my sock back on. I really don't want you in my belly button. Make sure we get those tan lines. It's stopping. Why? I like feel myself getting darker. Is that how this works? Am I supposed to do my foot? I'll do a little bit. And I don't know how many like coats you're supposed to do. Oh, my nipple's showing. I feel like other people have had a lot more success with this than I am. I don't think I'm as white, but I don't think I'm as tan as I want to be. A little bit. I want to do my face. It says to keep away from eyes, mouth, hairline, and mucous membranes. All places that I'm about to hit right now. Oh my gosh, I did it. I don't care about my hairline. What if like my face was tan and my ears were just pale? Ooh, my neck. Oh my gosh, when my face was tan and just my whole neck was just pale. Because I want my butt to look, but not the butt crack. There's hair. Ew. Hey, do I think this works? See, I don't know how long you have to wait until it like happens and you just get tan. Well, now I need the help of my boyfriend to do my back. Cause I can't reach it, Rick. I don't have legs behind me. I mean arms. And I don't have legs. Stop. Okay. Get in here. I need help, please. This is Rick. I need it on my back and on my back.
You got a little X thing going on here. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that.
Just move it.
Yeah, we'll see.
I would say take it off, but that's inappropriate.
There. Come on.
Ah! Sure, you rub it in. Oh.
Back underneath all that stuff.
You might need 2 hands.
Yes, it might.
Ah!
Might be a little bit uneven up here.
Well, 2 hands. You're holding on to the bottle. No, I don't.
Alrighty then. Maybe a little bit over here. A little bit over here.
Oh, that's sore.
Yeah. Put back here. Alright. I think you're good.
Okay, so now we put it all on, and I guess I'll let you guys know tomorrow if I'm tan or not. I think it is gonna take some time to like fruit. No, that's not even a word. To like happen, you know, to happen. So I'll let you guys know tomorrow if this stuff is worth it, because I'm super interested and super sticky. So yeah, so this is one of the things where like you put it on, then you like let it sit, and then you like shower it off. But I guess not. Okay, so we're back, and I was totally gonna put on like makeup and stuff, but I'm like feeling my face right now. Like, it doesn't look bad at all. So we're rolling with this all natural thing we got. See, I told you, getting me tan, it makes me more confident, and I don't know why, but I'm feeling it, okay? So I slept with this stuff on, and I will say I definitely got tanner. I don't think I'm at like the color I want to be yet, except that my hands, oh my gosh, do you see that? I washed my hands. It's like, it's bad, guys. It's bad. I washed my hands. I swear I did. Rick's hands don't look like this. So I think if you're gonna use something like this, definitely grab a mitt, because look at that. Oh my God. Also my foot got freakishly tan too. So I don't know if but it's like, I'll insert a pic. It's really weird. I don't know what's happening. But for the rest of, as far as the rest of my body goes, I think it did a really good job. It really gave me just like this glow. I know you weren't supposed to put it on your face or near your hairline, which now I see why, because like I have just a little bit of makeup on. Oh my God, my hands. And you can see that it's like a different shade than my hairline, which is fine. I don't care, because obviously this isn't gonna last the whole summer. It's gonna last, you know, a week, a few days, who knows, and then it'll be gone. Hallelujah, because look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't get over that. I swear I washed my hands, you guys. So all in all, I think this product does work. I think if you really want to get tanner, I think you need to use a few coats of it, I guess. I'm not sure. I think this is really good just to give you that like glow that you need. Like, I can definitely see I have like some tan lines, and my farmer's tan isn't as like noticeable. Like, it's just kind of a little bit more like gosh, I want to say like mixed in, but that's not the right word. But it's not as like tan and like super pale, you know. It's a little bit more like, it flows more evenly, which makes wearing tank tops a lot easier for me personally. And then also my face is a lot more tan, which I really appreciate, because I don't like being super pale. It's not my thing. I need a little color on my face. As far as the rest of my body goes, it did. Rick said I wasn't as pale, so that's a good sign, I think. Yeah, I think it was really good just to give me that, like, you know, summer glow. I think it's great if you need to like touch up on your tan or something, or if you need like a quick fix, you're going on vacation and don't have time to. This is a really, really good solution. Also, it's vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, paraben-free. So if you're one of those people that are vegan or gluten-free, this product is definitely for you, and I really like it. I will definitely use it again. I think as summer like happens, like if I'm on vacation or something and like can't get to a tanning salon or something, this will be my go-to. I would suggest getting a mitt, so that way this doesn't happen to you, because I swear I washed my hands. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. It was definitely an interesting experience, and now I'm more prepared for when and if I do it again, so that's good. I really enjoyed it. I enjoy all of Arbonne's products. I just think they're a really great company, and I'm so ready for summer so I can get tan and just look and feel my best. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give it a big thumbs up for my little tan thumbs, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!